Hello everyone and welcome to this Bootstrap Zenva course. What we're going to be building is a web page in Bootstrap 4, which is the newest revision of Bootstrap. So we start off, we have a nice painting there, just some photographs I ran through a Photoshop filter. We have a menu bar and we have some built-in things, this little down arrow. This is animated, so we can scroll up and forth, and if I go back to the top, you'll notice that when I start scrolling down, the menu goes dark. So we'll handle that. Then we have an About section with some emojicons in it, a Document section with a button, a Gallery page, and as we go back and forth, it goes from 3 columns to 2 columns to 1 column in responsive web design. We also have a contact form and then a map. And finally, we have a button grouping of social media icons. So I hope you enjoy building this web page, and in the next video, we'll get started.